Okay, we have here another integral. This one's from Caltech Math Meet 2025, number 11. We have the integral of sine times arc cosine of x dx. Okay, I think what I want to do here is just the straightforward thing. We'll do a u substitution, just substituting for this part here, because it's going to be difficult otherwise to deal with this. So I'll say u is going to be equal to arc cosine of x. Then solving for x, we'll just invert it. So we get x is going to be the same thing as cosine of u. Take a derivative, dx is going to be minus sine of u du. So then when we substitute, this is going to clean it up quite a bit because now this is just sine u. And then our dx is this stuff. We'll take the minus sign up front as a constant. And then we get another sine u du. This, of course, is just going to be sine squared of u. Then we'll use the formula on this to reduce it. We can write this as 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine of u. So before we integrate, let me just distribute the minus sign and reverse it. So we'll turn this into a plus, we'll write it. And actually, let's bring a 1/2 out front. So the sign is still going to reverse the order, so we get cosine of, this should be 2u right here. Cosine 2u. And so this is going to become cosine 2u minus 1 du. So now we go ahead and integrate. We've got the 1/2 in front. This is going to be sine 2u with a 1/2 popping out like that. And then we're just going to have minus u right here. But we'll take this and rewrite it using the double angle formula. So this will become 2 sine u cosine u. And then that way the 2's are going to cancel, or 2's going to cancel with 1/2 right there. For cosine u, we've got a value, that's an x. We have our value for u, but what is sine u? For sine u, we can draw the triangle really quick. You could also use Pythagorean identity on it. So if our angle is u, so we have cosine of u is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse is going to be this, x over 1. So we can do x, we can do 1. What's going to happen here with the Pythagorean theorem, third side is going to be square root 1 minus x squared. So our sine u value here is going to be opposite over hypotenuse, or just square root 1 minus x squared. So plugging back in, we have everything we need. We've got 1/2 in front. Sine u is going to be this thing. We'll reorder it, so we'll have it as x for cosine u, square root 1 minus x squared, minus the u value, which is just arc cosine of x, add a plus c on the end, and that's it. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.